Ready to make a splash? Let's dive deep into an underwater adventure where playtime meets discovery. Imagine the excitement as your child's favorite sea creature toys become the star of their very own ocean exploration. This isn't just about having fun, though there will be plenty. It's about unlocking the mysteries of the deep blue sea. Crabs are arthropods, related to lobsters, shrimp, and even insects. They have hard exoskeletons, shells, made of chitin. Crabs have 5 pairs of legs, with the front pair modified into claws, chellae, used for defense and feeding. Crabs have complex behaviors, including problem-solving, communication. Clownfish are known for their vibrant orange bodies with white bands outlined in black, though they can also be yellow, red, or even black depending on the species. Clownfish live in warm waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, including the Great Barrier Reef and Red Sea. Clownfish live in strict groups with a dominant female. Mantas are not fish in the bony sense, like tuna or salmon. They are cartilaginous fish, related to sharks, skates, and other rays. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage. The giant oceanic manta ray is the largest ray in the world. Starfish don't have a brain or blood. Instead, they use a water vascular system to circulate nutrients and move. Starfish move using hundreds to thousands of tiny tube feet. Whale sharks feed mainly on plankton, small fish, and krill, which they filter from the water using their wide mouths. Whale sharks have a distinctive pattern of white spots and stripes on a dark background. Each pattern is unique, like a fingerprint. Whale sharks are found in warm tropical oceans around the world, usually near the surface or mid-depths. Whale sharks are listed as endangered by the IUCN due to threats from fishing, bycatch, and boat collisions. Whale sharks feed mainly on plankton, small fish. Turtles lay eggs, usually in sand or dirt. The temperature of the nest can determine the sex of the hatchlings. Turtles, especially tortoises, are known for their slow movement, but sea turtles can swim fast up to 22 miles per hour, 35 kilometers per h. Sea lions are found along coastal waters in the Pacific Ocean from North America to South America and across Asia and Australia. Sea lions face threats from pollution, entanglement in fishing gear, and climate change. The Steller sea lion, the largest species, is listed as near threatened, with some populations still recovering from past declines. Sea lions are highly intelligent. Sawfish are rays, not sharks. They belong to the same group as stingrays and skates, elasmobranches, and have flattened bodies with gills on the underside. Sawfish are found in shallow coastal waters, estuaries, rivers, and mangrove swamps. Some species can even survive in freshwater. Sawfish mature late and produce few offspring. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead species, like the scalloped and great hammerhead, are listed as endangered due to overfishing and finning. Hammerhead sharks have a wide, flattened head called a cephalofoil, which looks like a hammer, hence the name. Lobsters are marine crustaceans with hard shells, long antennae, and strong claws, and they live on the ocean floor hiding among rocks. Lobsters have two very different claws. One is a big crusher claw for breaking shells, and the other is a sharper pincer for cutting and tearing. Lobsters communicate by squirting urine from nozzles near their eyes. Humpback whales are large baleen whales, growing up to 60 feet, 18 meters, long, and weighing up to 40 tons. Humpbacks are found in oceans worldwide, from the polar regions to the tropics, and migrate thousands of miles annually. Humpback whales migrate up to 16,000 miles, 25,000 kilometers, round trip every year, the longest migration of any mammal. Dolphins are warm-blooded mammals. They breathe air through a blowhole and nurse their young with milk. Dolphins have large, complex brains relative to their body size. They exhibit advanced problem-solving, self-awareness, and social behaviors. Dolphins let one hemisphere of their brain rest at a time, allowing them to keep swimming and watch for predators. Dolphins are warm-blooded mammals. They breathe air through a blowhole and nurse their young with milk. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with camouflage when hunting. Orcas have complex brains and exhibit behaviors like teaching, learning, cooperation, and problem-solving. Orcas in marine parks have shown signs of stress and shortened lifespans. The Blackfish documentary brought widespread attention to this issue. Orcas are easily recognizable with their striking black and white coloration, which helps with camouflage when hunting. Orcas have complex brains. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, not bone. This makes them lighter and more flexible in the water. Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that let them sense electric fields, even the heartbeat of hidden prey. Sharks constantly lose and regrow teeth. Some species can produce up to 30,000 teeth in a lifetime. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, not bone. This makes them lighter and more flexible in the water. Sharks have special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. mysteries of the deep blue sea. Get those flippers ready, because we're about to embark on a journey to meet the ocean's most fascinating residents, all from the comfort of your living room. Grab your submarine, and let's get hands-on. There's no better way to learn than by holding a toy dolphin and discovering that it uses echolocation to see in the dark.